rundown. So we got to yesterday. We got this thing all dried out. There was a little bit of water here. I had to mop a little bit out, but I got 99% of the moisture off that foam. So we were able to get those boards down with little to no, not no, but very little humidity and moisture still underneath there. That's good. We had the boards already pre-cut, so today was mostly just laying down all of our pink sill seal and then adding an extra layer of foam around each I-beam. I'm going to be doing another video that really dives into why I am stressing so hard on isolating that steel and why it is such a problem that I think most people don't really think about. So stay tuned for that if you want the explanation there. But we made sure to be really meticulous about isolating the steel. Got our deck down while the foam was still soft, so it kind of oozed in the right directions. We tried to do some 12 gauge fasteners that just weren't really rated to go through this steel, and that was unsuccessful. So we gave up on that. We bought a bunch of RAM cartridges. I'm going to go pick up a RAM set tomorrow morning from my work. Luckily, my work's I work for a great company, and they're real chill, and they're like, yeah, any tools you need, anything you need, come by and get it. Anything we can do. So that's real awesome. So I'll get that tomorrow. Rather than having to buy, just buy a whole bunch of tools for just this job, which would suck. So that's that. Tomorrow we will, first part of the day, I'll be nailing RAM sets down.